Hey everybody, I'm Edward Muñoz and I'm here in BURTON. Let me show you how you can create this beautiful design just using a maxi cup and maxi stick. Are you ready? I'm ready. To start, I will use the maxi cup and my air-filled balloon. Just slide in, then neck the balloon, the maxi cup. Just always try to push down a little bit. Just wrapping around the neck and just click in each side. Now you have the air-filled balloon in that maxi cup. And now just use the maxi stick to display your air-filled balloon. Now, I'm using a candy bar, and on top of that candy bar, I will put a maxi cup. You can add that maxi cup with hot glue or with dashes. Now, we have perfect base for my maxi cup and maxi stick. But if you want to add more decoration or something extra, you can make a quad with just one pump. Inflate one balloon first, after the next balloon, and tie it together. Stretch the neck of the balloon, wrapping around 2 times, and tie. Now you have a duplex. You need to create a next duplex. When you have the 2 duplex together, just twist in the center, and that is your quad. Now, we need to repeat the process to create another quad with 2 pumps. Now we need to add this quad underneath. What we'll do is open your quad and twist 2 times. You can leave it like that, or you can cover with some cheese sealer. Just try to cover all the candy bars with a piece of curly ribbon. Just tie in the mix. Cut a little bit of extra. And now add the tag. See how easy and simple is doing this design. Now, this is a standard, but if you want to display a shape, the maxi stick just cut in half, and make sure you use a bigger candy bar to make it stable. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching us.